Assalamualaikum class, welcome back to our online classes. Hopefully you're fine and doing great at your home with your families. So tell me, how was your day yesterday? Did you enjoy your stay at home? And I am also hoping that you are doing your studies and preparing yourself for your final term exam. So let's start our today's lecture. Okay, the day today is Thursday, 21st January 2021. It's grade 4 lecture. I am your English teacher, Anam. This is your English literature lecture, textbook read now, topic the buried treasure, and exercise number 2, answer these questions. So let's start. Okay, question number 1 is, what does buried treasure usually means? What comes to our mind when we talk about buried treasure or treasure? It comes mostly we think about gold, silver, diamond, jewelry, etc. So the answer of this question will be, buried treasure means gold, silver, and diamonds hidden in the ground. Okay, when did they first set up their house? They first set up house in spring. In what season did the squirrel gather the nuts? Obviously they gather the nuts in the autumn to save food or to store food for winter. Why did they collect them? They collected nuts to store food for the cold winter days. Now question number 5, how did the squirrels hide the nuts? They hid it by covering with leaves. What did Mrs. Bushytail do when she heard the noise? She shot up the tree like a flash of lightning. Flash of lightning, it refers to the speed. Why did Mr. Bushytail stay behind for a moment or two? He stayed behind in order to hide the nuts with the leaves. What did David do with the nut he picked up? Now look in the picture. David David got the nut and now he is cracking it to chew it or to eat it. Okay? Do you remember these two characters? David and Elsie. He cracked it and began to eat. What did Elsie do with the nut? If you remember the chapter, she didn't find it good to eat the nuts of or treasure of the squirrels, so she dropped it back into the hole. Why did she say that it was not fair? She said this because those nuts belong to squirrels. It is not a good thing or good habit to take things from others without permission. Okay? What happened after David and Elsie had gone home? Both squirrels shifted their buried treasure to another place because they thought that they will come back and again they will try to steal their treasure. So, beta, the moral of this chapter is that we should be gentle and careful with the animals and their things, their nest, their houses, and anything they have. Okay, sometimes I have seen, or you also notice, that children harm animals or birds. Okay, so this is not a good habit. So this was our topic for today. If you have any kind of question, you can ask me and you know how to contact me. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.